Ukraine has made a stark admission. The country's ballistic missile interception rate has fallen, and Kyiv is saying so openly. Ukrainian Air Force spokesman Yuriy Ignat confirmed the decline, stating directly that massive Russian attacks in May and June have exposed a critical shortage of air defense missiles. The shield is thinning, and Ukraine is saying so out loud. The numbers are blunt. Ukraine's ballistic missile down rate has dropped sharply compared to previous months, including when measured against the winter period, which itself saw intense Russian bombardment. Ignat was unambiguous in his attribution. The falling intercept rate is not a technical failure. It is a supply failure. There are not enough missiles to meet the volume of incoming fire.
Ukraine needs more protection. We saw massive attacks in May, in June. The percentage of ballistic missile damage has decreased compared to previous months, even considering the winter period, because there is a missile shortage. I emphasize this many times. Therefore, we hope that missiles will come not only against ballistic missiles, but also other missiles that Ukraine needs.
And Ignat made clear this is not a new concern being raised for the first time. The Ukrainian Air Force spokesman said he has emphasized the missile shortage many times. That repetition is deliberate. This is a public, on-record appeal to Western partners to accelerate deliveries, not just for ballistic missile defense, but across every category of air defense missile Ukraine needs. The operational strain is real and widening. Russia's sustained aerial campaign has hammered Ukraine's defense stocks across multiple systems, driving intercept rates to their lowest levels since the conflict entered its current stage. With Western production capacity already under pressure and supply chains stretched, the gap between what Ukraine needs and what it is receiving is growing, not closing. Ukraine's message to the world tonight is unambiguous. More protection is needed. More missiles against ballistic threats and against every other category of aerial strike Russia is deploying. The intercept rate is falling. The attacks are not. And Kyiv is no longer keeping that equation private.